Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So let's start today lecture. In previous lecture you learned how can we draw the lines of symmetry in different shapes. Question number 2, determine if the dotted line in the following figure is a line of symmetry. You see the red line is a line of symmetry and the shape is kite shape. We just need to determine this is a given line of symmetry or not. So we already learned in question number 1, part number G. Okay, in a kite shape, if I draw a vertical line, it can be divided into two equal parts. So just answer this yes. It is a line of symmetry of this shape. Now the red line of symmetry is drawn into diagonal, and we said it is not a line of symmetry because it cannot be divided into two equal parts. Now in this shape we see from vertical line of symmetry, so it is a line of symmetry, so answer is yes. Now part number G, this is the house shape of house and the line of symmetry from the middle. We can say yes, this is the line of symmetry and it can be divided into two equal parts. Part number G, a trapezium again. Question number 1, part number F. Similar question again. If we draw from vertical, it can be equal parts, but if we draw from the middle in horizontal, then this line of symmetry is not correct. So we said no. And this type of shape, because of not equally spaced, we said it is not a line of symmetry. This shape, the vertical line, we said folded line of symmetry from the middle in vertical, it can be divided into two equal parts, so we said it is yes, it is a line of symmetry. Again a type of rectangle shape but not equally, and this is not a line of symmetry. Because of that, it cannot be divided into two equal parts. So some shapes have a line of symmetry and some shape does not have a line of symmetry. So just practice these question number 2 on your rough notebooks, as you can understand with the help of my video. Okay class, Allah Hafiz.